sweat, so our body is losing water that we need to replace. What's the best drink to have when you're sweaty and you're thirsty? Water! You are so smart. Put your one arm like this. Put your other arm like this. And say, water.
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 What do I drink a lot of?
Water.
What should you drink a lot of?
Water.
Water. You are so smart. Water is so important. I wrote a song about it. So everybody stand on up, quickly, quietly, strike a pose. And it goes a little something like this. Na 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 na. Hey, na 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 na. Hey, one afternoon me mouth was dry, for I had just run till I tanned my brow with sweat from all the sweat that I had just perspired. My friend said, won't you drink with me a soda from the vending machine? I shook my head and said that I drink water. Water!
Water.
Water!
Water.
Water!
Water.
Oh, I drink water!
Water.
Water!
Water.
Water!
Water.
There's nothing I would rather have than a cup of water in my hand and sweat to breathe. That's why I drink water. Na 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 na. Hey!